Hi, this is Farz and welcome back to another quick 2-minute Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a neon text effect easily. Let's jump right in. First, pick a background and turn it to black and white. Then slightly darken it for a better contrast. Now grab the text tool and type anything you like. Once done, convert the text layer into a smart object. Then go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and start with 0.5 pixel radius. Now press Command and J to duplicate the layer. Double click on the Gaussian blur effect and increase the blur radius. Let's go with 2 pixels this time. Repeat this process multiple times. Copy the layer and keep increasing the blur radius to build up the neon glow. After this step, create a solid black color layer below all the text layers. Now select the color fill layer, hold Shift and click the topmost layer to select them all. Press Command and Z to group them and change the blend mode of the group to screen. Now create a gradient map adjustment layer. Set white for the right point and black for the left point. Add another midpoint and choose the color you want for the neon glow. Now adjust the position to fine-tune the effect until it looks just right. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips. See you in the next one.